like and subscribe to Toon Time Tykes.
Plants a tiny seed so small. In the soil it started to call, whispering dreams of reaching high. A mighty tree against the sky. Growing, growing day by day. Roots digging deep, finding their way. Stretching up towards the light. A journey of wonder, oh so bright. From the earth it pushed with might, breaking through to see the light. Tiny leaves unfurled so green. The sun's warm rays a dazzling scene. Growing, growing day by day. Birds digging deep, finding their way. Stretching up towards the light. A journey of wonder, oh so bright. Seasons passed, the tree grew strong. Birds perched high, singing in song cry. Seasons passed, the tree grew strong. Birds perched high, singing a song. Shelter for creatures, shade for all. In its branches, nature's call. Now a grand tree, tall and free. Once a seed, just like you and me. Dream big, little seeds, don't be shy. One day you'll touch the sky so high.